Hi, I'm Mark Pidou from Cranfield University, and I will be leading this Case Study 7 as part of the Project Ultimate. This case study is a collaboration between Aquabio, a pioneering company for the development and installation of systems for industrial wastewater treatment and reuse, and the Cranfield Water Science Institute with extensive experience on the development and optimization of technologies for wastewater treatment and resource recovery. This case study is based on the symbiosis between the beverage industry with the world-famous Glenmorangie whiskey distillery located in Tain in the northeast of Scotland and the water industry with Aquabio. This first started 3 years ago with the installation of an anaerobic membrane bioreactor for the treatment of the wastewater from the distillery processes, providing also heat recovery from the biogas generated and the sludge sealant application for the local barley fields. As part of this project, we will look to further treat the effluent from the anaerobic MBR with an integrated system allowing for water recycling as well as heat and nutrient recovery. We will first study the application of reverse osmosis membranes for the production of high-quality water to be reused at the distillery, with a particular focus on optimum operation and, of course, membrane fouling control. We will then investigate the potential of stripping and ion exchange columns for the removal and recovery of ammonia. These systems will be first investigated at small scale to determine the most cost-effective solution, and then the best option will be integrated into the demonstration unit to be tested at the distillery. Finally, we will determine the potential for heat recovery from the effluent of the mesophilic anaerobic MBR with potential uses to dry the ammonia product generated or in the distillery process itself.